5 themes for beginners when learning to draw. 1. Still life. Start with simple everyday objects like fruits, flowers, or pens. This will help you practice observing and capturing the shapes, textures, and light and shadow of objects. 2. Natural landscapes. Try drawing landscapes from nature such as mountains, forests, lakes, or oceans. These subjects will allow you to practice depicting spatial awareness, perspective, and different natural elements. 3. Figure sketching. Learning to sketch figures is an important foundational skill. Try drawing the outlines, body proportions, and expressions of people. Practice different aspects like the head, hands, and postures to gradually improve your skills. 4. Animal kingdom. Animals have diverse personalities and make for interesting subjects to draw. Start with smaller animals like cats, dogs, or birds, and then challenge yourself with more complex animal forms. Learn to observe their features and movements, and try to translate them onto the canvas. 5. Abstract art. If you feel tired of traditional subjects, you can try creating abstract art. This style is not bound by the constraints of the real world and allows you to unleash your imagination and express emotions. Experiment with colors, lines, and shapes to create unique visual effects. These themes provide different practice opportunities and challenges for beginners to explore and develop their artistic skills. Remember to maintain a mindset of practice and experimentation and enjoy the process of creating.